First at 5, tensions are rising after a suspect with a lengthy rap sheet was released by a judge after being arrested again. Thank you for joining us. I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. This time, the suspect was arrested for armed robbery. New at 5, Matt Paddock sat down with New Bedford's mayor and the Bristol County District Attorney and joins us live in studio with their concerns. Matt?
Well, Shannon, Mike, District Attorney Thomas Quinn not only calling the court's decision to release 39-year-old Christopher Fernandez unsafe for the public, he thinks that the judge may have acted against Massachusetts law with his ruling in this case.
I'm very disappointed and upset to learn that the court acted contrary to the law.
39-year-old Christopher Fernandez arraigned 29 times as an adult, 2 previous convictions leading to time served in a state prison, and on July 26th, arrested for allegedly robbing someone at knife point.
These individuals, based on the law, should have been held for at least a hearing.
A judge ordering the suspect released pending trial, something Quinn disputes.
And for a judge to say there's no probable cause that a crime was committed, if that's how he felt, he should have dismissed the case, which he didn't, or B, he didn't even conduct a hearing. It's not even close that a hearing should have been held, and based on the evidence that I'm aware of, these people should have been detained.
Mayor John Mitchell calling Fernandez's release a, quote, astonishing failure, saying decisions like these undermine public safety, negate the hard work of police, and erode the respect for the law.
Everybody in this instance, except for the judge, did their job.
Mayor Mitchell calling this just an example of a bigger issue across the Bay State. A revolving door where criminals who continue to break the law are let back out on the street, continuing to commit crimes.
So it really calls into question, I think, the suitability of this judge to perform his job.
Mayor John Mitchell voicing his frustrations, seeking possible changes to the local judicial system.
I have long called for the appointment of judges to serve in Greater New Bedford who are from Greater New Bedford. So the judge should have some feel for the fact of the implications of letting that person back out into the neighborhood. What does that mean?
12 News reached out to the court for comment. Their response, quote, the trial court declines to comment. Reporting live in studio, Matt Paddock, 12 News.